family. Before the market opens, smash the love button. We have 24 of you beautiful souls in here. My OGs, you guys are always rocking, spending the morning together, so I appreciate y'all. How fast can we get to those 25 likes? And then our 40 goal, obviously. For real, if it makes you feel better, it helps when she says the big one hurt. Yours is perfect. Guys, we're finding some mad bullish volume here at market open. I'm going to try... Oh. Part of me wants to try to find a long off that volume towards this PPI high. That was a lot of strength coming in there. Didn't really anticipate that. I'm going to go for it if we get a pullback again. I don't think we will now, to be honest. But now we have another wick to go target. Might find VWAP first. But honestly, I like that strength out of the NASDAQ. I don't usually get into early trades, so I'm trying to be patient, make my decision. Part of me really wants to try to just grab this long toward the top of this PPI high. I might be patient, though. Wait for something a little bit cleaner.
Right now, the NASDAQ just holding up there.
Deontay, good morning, King. How you feeling, baby? Welcome in. Hope your trading's going good. Hope you're back in the fun dids, getting your mindset in the right perspective.
There's literally like, there's no wick there, nothing.
I might long a EMA tap here. Towards the top. Now that we're above this little flat price, want to see us try to take out the high of this PPI. If we do it right away, well, I'm obviously not going to be involved in that. So I want to see a little bit of a balance first. Anything could happen here.
We're like stuck below the 700 level,
big
but
liquidity. So buying any of these longs is going to be a little bit tricky for me personally, but market is incredibly bullish, so it's hard to fade.
There's no wick.
Again, we're up 2,600 points in 11 days. So that's a real
yeah, there's something going on with the Warbucks equities,
absolutely,
the platform right now. I don't see it moving.
Just describing as well, King. It's been incredibly
I'm going to try a
strong,
long here with a stop below
680s.
680s. Let's see if we're going to pay the price for FOMOing in or if we're going to get paid for FOMOing.
Above.
And we're looking for a move above 722s there. So there's that 710.
No big deal.
We want to see 722s quickly.
Got to fight.
No hesitation here. We don't want it to slow down. We want it go, go, go. What are you looking at, D? Talk to me, baby. I don't like when you're quiet.
Above the
yeah, so it's pretty strong.
I guess we're going to go grab it right away.
So I like longs here as well, to be honest. So because we were able to...
Almost.
We had a retracement.
Almost.
Previous 5-minute candle.
Going for the 18, 718. We're still pushing.
Yeah, I'm in the long as well.
Look at us front.
So we were able to take out guys 680. That was the level that I was kind of saying, right? That on the 5-minute chart, you wanted us to basically get back above 680. That 680
a lot of liquidity stacking up there.
And now we're looking at
longs with a break and retest of the 708.
Previous candles.
And keep bottomed out, so it's
took a long from 98 up there to the 718s, trying to go over this high from that data candle.
And we just swept through that PPI candle print high, family.
Yo,
so that was
an
easy trade in locks. Didn't expect it to fly there instantaneously. So now we got to be a little bit more patient. Wait for a good entry. Wait for something that's clear. That was what we wanted to see, but I didn't expect it to happen instantly.
Congratulations.
Like that. So
easy 20 points right there.
NQ bottomed. Took profit. Easy. Let's go.
Yo, can you hear me?
Easy on the TPT account. You got to take profit on those when you're trailing like that. On those TPTs. I'm taking long with a break and retest of the 716s now. Above this candle high,
I'm waiting for a break and retest for a long.
I'm still in that trade from overnight, bro.
Nice. How much are you up?
460.
On your funded?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you, sir.
All right, we got that break. Let's see if I get the retest. Oh shit! Wait, where's the 5-minute though? We're not even out of the 5-minute. Good thing I didn't enter. I'm down on my Apex. Look, I only have 121 drawdown left.
Oh shit, nigga.
I'm gonna try to just bring it back slowly. Are you on your Apex?
Yeah.
Nice. The drawdown is what kills you.
5 minute.
All right, there we go. I'm waiting for that break. Let me get in. I'm gonna put my buy on the line. 25.7. 25.27. Should I do one, or should I just say fuck it and go with more than one?
Do one for now. You starter firework, bro.
Yeah, maybe. Hopefully this comes. I mean, if this hits that, then I need to put a sell. Oh no.
Order filled.
I'm in a buy. Put this. I should have waited to get in, but if the next candle closes above, I'm gonna add more in. You know, for the
Hell
confirmation.
Yeah. Holding well for the first 5 minutes in New York.
Yeah, hopefully we get this candle closure going up now.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in. Another one.
Order filled.
Damn, dude, I need this to shoot up. Ain't no way a reversal is gonna come now, bro. Come on, shoot up. We need at least.
Order filled.
Oh, damn. I lost it.
Stop filled.
Look at this reversal coming in, bro. It's fucking gay.
Stop filled.
Fuck that.
I gotta wait.
Fucking.
You got this. Strong selling reaction off these 750s back into the 700s.
Fucking retarded, bro. This market.
Interesting price. Interesting sell. Let's be patient here. I'm hesitant to join shorts, even though I like this type of direction. Gold has been up. Gold has went up 30 points from my TP. What a trade. What a trade. Split. I mean, work. See, my normal trading pattern would tell me to try to short this PPI high. So I'm going to do it with a small size. I'm going to do it with small size here. I'm already a little bit extended on that, actually. Tight risk. If we find a rally through this price, then I'm just going to close it strong. I'm not really looking for much. The reason I'm shorting is that strong displacement to the sell side here, and we're back at a big spot with this PPI candle print. So I'm willing to take a little attempt at the sell side. I don't love having to get into a short, but at the same time, we are still extended. You know, we still have to find some type of a balance. I don't want to get trapped facing only the longs today, or just looking for shorts.
And I'm going long on NQ.
Good candle reaction off that PPI high. Can we get another closure to the sell side here?
I think Nasdaq's going to go back up.
Anything could happen.
Yeah, it's retesting.
There we go with the volume, keeping the buys alive. Not scared out of it yet. Nothing telling me yet that we're going to completely reverse this. Show me a big black, no wick, just like we just saw over there. We need 30-something points or so. So I would need to see like these 80s get found. Roughly. Somewhere down into these 80s for our TP to be done. Something like this. What do I actually need? 81. 30.16, 14, the 86. So yeah, this would be a safe exit. Buy 10 limit down here. If we could find the 82s, I don't even think I need all that technically, but we'll see. We'll see. Just secured a 2K payout. Drop a W for that man, Victor. I love seeing it, King. Come on now.
Nice.
Oh, baby, how I'm so proud of you. Good work.
2K.
Way to show up. Way to keep your perspective in on check.
All right,
deliver.
we got another break.
That's what I like to see out of you, King. That's amazing. Be proud of yourself. Everyone getting paid today.
This
We're
nigga's
trying,
short.
Santi. That's the goal, baby. Boom, TP hit. There he is.
Crazy,
Bobby's
huh?
getting paid too. Oh, family, look at us getting rejected here. Nasdaq finding strong bids towards the highs. Last candle closure for me. I do not want to see us close above this previous swing. If we do, I'm absolutely going to be out of here. So really above this new candle swing high is where my stops are going to be. So I'm going to put that in right now. Buy 10 stops.
I'm up on oil.
Nasty candle.
Let me see.
Finding the bids, finding the strength, showing
If
how
Nasdaq
strong
goes
the
up,
Nasdaq
oil
really
goes
is,
down.
meaning that we shouldn't be fading it. Like I told you guys, really shouldn't be trying to fade this. Of course, I got caught trying to do it just because I'm a reversal trader. Could you tell me what the green line is?
Nasdaq goes down, oil.
The green line up top above my
sell.
price. This is the daily opening. This is the high of day.
Nasdaq goes up,
the highest price candle, highest price the Nasdaq's traded today.
I'll wait for a break and retest.
And this green line down here is my take profit. So once we come into that order, I have a limit order to buy 10, which would exit me out of my 10 sells. And then this second green line up here is going to be my stop out. So I'm going to buy 10 stop out of my position. So, which I might be getting stopped out of this. The fun might be over for me. We're finding really a lot of strength in the Nasdaq. And yeah, it's not my favorite thing to see here. Especially because I already said it. We shouldn't be fading longs. And yet, what did my goofy self do? I got tricked by the strong displacement. Not even within the 15-minute range either. Getting close to our 15-minute range, though. Let's see what happens here. I think we're going to push up for another.
Oh, that nigga Tyler, it's okay, bro.
I kind of feel like the longs are just undeniable lately.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
But we wait, we find out. Closure above the swing high definitely stops us out.
Yeah, I need a retest.
There it is. We're going to get stopped out.
Stop field.
Bang. Easy. 150 down the drain. Mother.
Huh?
Stop field.
Could you tell me what the green line is?
We got to stop field.
Trade on gold going ham. Absolutely.
Overall, it's fucking bullish.
But I still need 1.3 for the max payout, so I need to hit a decent trade.
Yeah, that's why I'm so.
Well, you don't need to, Santi. If you can grab the payout, you can grab a payout, King. Either way.
Right. You know what I'm saying? A little fake.
I locked out, almost felt myself going in for more money. The greed is real. On a day like today, I understand.
See if this comes down some more.
Let's go, W. Absolutely. Way to show love, family.
Down.
Bella, good morning, Queen. Appreciate you for being here. Welcome back. All right, I'm going to go for a run, a celebrate. Celebrate that run. Love that nice day out in Maine today. It's a beautiful day out here, King. Enjoy the weather.
Your nigga finna get a runner's high.
We'll lock in a
My
W.
nigga said I'm about to have fun
All right,
running.
so now we
He
need a
about
bigger
to go
position here,
run.
or a
The
better
fuck?
trade.
Who the fuck had fun running?
He's finna go get a
She's telling me
runner's
universal.
high.
Look at me get top
Nigga
pick.
said, oh, you see
Surely
this
I wouldn't
gap?
find it. See, this is what I didn't want to do. Where I get trapped.
Let
trying to
me
keep
go
scoring
back to your
something
screen.
Instead of just buying long.
But
This
it's
is what I do
through-
not
it's
wanna
through
do,
both,
'cause now
so
I'm
it's
getting
balanced.
a signal to short again.
So if this comes in, I'm gonna take that out of there.
Look at me being absolutely the absolute top liquidity of that position there by a
Come on,
quarter of
come
a
down,
tick.
bro.
Can't hate. You hate to see it. If we go take out a new high here, I won't be upset. Yeah, I appreciate it, Dave. I had to delete that TP for sure. There we go. New highs. Now I don't feel so bad about it. Cash open long crazy. Yeah. Opened strong. Nothing but strength. Nasdaq's been nothing but strong. Nasdaq now up 0.8% on the day. We're up, 20, almost probably 2,700 points now in the last 11 days. And nothing but bullish prints. So really all we're going to be looking to do is waiting for the 15-minute range to develop, which it just did. So I'm going to go back over to NQ. I'm going to draw it up. Let's go to our rectangle. 930. This means our bottom. Nothing but strength on the bottom. Here's our 15-minute range. That is our 15-minute range. Do we get a break and retest or a break and reclaim today? I'm not really going to say a break and reclaim is on the books just because of the price action. So we're going to be looking for prices to buy. We're now down the 150 that we needed to make. So, we're going to size down. If I take another loss like that, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see how the price action is looking, but it's not my favorite thing. Well, I'm going to sleep before class. Y'all have a good blessed one. Get that bread, guys. Let's go. Bobby, take it easy, King. Have a good rest. We'll see you soon. Good luck at class. Here comes an EMA touch. Here comes an EMA tap. What does the buyers do here? Do we respond bullish still? Previous swing. Wouldn't be surprised to find a little
Taco
reaction down
Tuesday is
here.
upon us.
Say what,
Looking for
bro?
a buy to 732
Tuesday.
supported the FVG and 5-minute.
Yes.
732, huh? Coming down there right now, King.
Taco.
Yo, I'm
Taco
about to
Tuesday
get back
upon
in.
us like it never left.
For a
Saucy, good
long-
morning, King. Welcome in, baby.
Hell yeah.
W Striker, keep going, King. Absolutely, let's go. Wait, what else did you hit? Got the payout with another 650 for long there. Like it isn't even hard, King. Man's been crushing the markets lately. I love seeing it. You already know, King, that things work in Ty. Stay blessed. You too, baby. Take it easy. All right, do we want to long this EMA? Unfortunately for us, it's our 15-minute range trade. Telling me it's either a break and reclaim or a break and retest. Right now, we're reclaiming it a little bit. I'm going to draw the box over
Oh
here,
shit,
too.
I should have got in. I'm gonna get in on this.
Just for
channel
better
closure,
information.
bro.
Do it.
Huh?
Do that shit.
Don't have
Do
to
it.
Keep
Are you
always
in?
checking back.
Yeah, I've been on. I've been in.
Oh yeah, you told me.
Yeah, I've been in this trade, man. It's retesting. Let that bitch retest. I like your trend line.
What do we see here? At the top of the 15-minute range, finding an auction.
All right, I
Hard
got
to
this
find
bitch.
anything other than longs,
got,
to be honest with you guys.
I got 2 micros, man.
Of course, there
You know
is such a thing
Why
as
don't you add
balance,
one right
but,
here
man,
for a long?
we have not been respecting.
That's
balance
what I was
lately,
thinking
so
of.
Yeah, just add
buy
one on
long.
a
If you're
5-minute.
in one.
Have a better support system.
Because
on
that's a
your
gap.
side.
Look, if that
Like, look
if
at the
that
sellers
holds that
just not
gap,
able to get this thing to move.
we're going
really
up.
at
That's
all.
what I'm looking at.
Here comes
I
the
scaled
32
in.
retest, D.
You're in?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Order
I'm in.
filled.
Good reaction so far from the buyers, responding to a little bit of sell pressure, pushing back to the top of the 15-minute range. Can they get a closure above the EMA? From there, I'm sure they're going to get another extension leg higher. My system tells me that this, I haven't seen anything for a break and reclaim yet, so this is more of a break and retest. I haven't seen anything telling me that we're going to reclaim lower. Not enough volume transacted up here for me to be afraid. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to buy this EMA tap.
Order filled.
Let's see if we find any support here. Or is this the time that we just find complete pressure? Now, this is our 15-minute range trade. Usually, we either get a strong, for the continuation or for the rejection, for this to be a reclaim, we get a lot of volume on one of these previous candles that pushed us lower. Instead, I haven't seen anything indicating that. So, I'm going to try to join the long strength, see if we can catch a momentum to the upside for another leg higher. Can we get some love here? Got to get closure through the top of the 15-minute range now. Don't want to see any weakness up and around this swing.
Let's go. Let's get above this 15-minute.
Here we
This
go
is
with
the
another leg.
15-minute.
Break through the highs.
We can break that 15-minute.
Got to get a closure through the top of the 15-minute range.
I might take profits. Some. I'm up 300.
Don't love a rejection at the top of the range.
Let's see
there.
if we're in the same trade. Oh, he's in the same trade.
Well, got to see
Finally,
a closure.
we're
Wait
in
for all the
trade.
information. Still 10
But
seconds on the candle.
Usually when he takes the opposite trades of me, I lose.
Want to see us
No,
try to
it's
push
like-
through this previous swing of 760s.
He's with the
Getting closure above
opposite
the top of
trades.
15
Even
looks
though
really
he
strong
lose
here,
too,
though, for us.
huh? It's
Yeah,
weird,
low key
nigga.
lost the day,
We both
nigga.
lose.
In front of our eyes, nigga. Nobody's safe, man.
A little bit more resistance up here now. Let's go check NQ really quickly. See if this got a closure through it. We did, but now we're rejecting right back inside of the range.
See what
so.
XPX is doing.
I don't know. We wait, family. We're going to just trust the longs. That's all you can do at the moment. Trust the trend that we've been getting. Holding this
put
EMA
5 in
pressure. Can we
SBS.
get continuation to the upside? I want to see new highs get swept through here. Got a closure through the top of the 15 on the NQ, which for me is continuation signal. So we just got to be patient.
Order filled.
Fortunately, we still have to reclaim what we lost and hit more profit. So we're going to be patient on this one. Can we get a push through the swing now? Give me a good closure up here, NASDAQ. That's a good hammer candle. I like the bullish action.
Damn,
Gotta
look
wait
at
for all
this
the information.
15-minute.
Wait for the candle close.
Candle. It's bullish.
Not terrible. Not my favorite. We're finding some resistance,
I'm up
resistance at the top of
600.
the 15-minute range. I think we can go sweep through the highs here, but anything could happen.
I'm up.
You can see that we're
500.
a little bit slower than we were at the initial move.
Damn, bro. If only this was the funded. Come back.
I would have been
Stop
sitting
filled.
sweet.
Yeah.
Way
Yeah.
back inside of the range.
Oh, my
Not loving
stop
it,
field
but
hit on
nothing's telling
something.
me yet reversal.
What is that?
I'd have to see a
SPX?
strong, a lot of volume get transacted on the sell side or the buy side to tell me that we're going to reverse here. At this point, anything could happen, though. Anyone here use RSI on a regular? I do not, Santi.
Yeah, it's almost 8, bro.
17 more familiar
reversal
for that
could
big
come.
goal to get smashed. Come on, family. 17 away from our
Hey,
big
I
40
might put
goal.
my
There's
break even
47
on in
beautiful
case.
people watching. That means if only, you know, what?
Stop filled.
30% of you guys watched, click the button. We'd be over our 40 like stream goal. Right now, still finding some resistance at the top of the 15-minute range. Don't love seeing it. Right back into the EMA. Got to see the buyers continue to support this price. Otherwise, we're probably going to be taking some drawdown here.
Let me see where it goes.
Wanted that previous doji candle there for a little bit more of an extension to the high.
You see
to
it's
the
making
buys.
that M?
I do recognize a trend here. So this is the last spot that we have to see the buyer try to respect. Below this, we could come back down into these 700s, so I'm not going to love seeing it.
Nigga, none of us is gonna love seeing it. We on the same
A
trade.
little sticky, if you will.
Sticky icky with the licky. Alright, I'm up. 300 still on one trick.
Breaking
Should I
through
just
the trend
take this
now.
out?
Is there going to be any support from the
I'll put
longs,
break
or are we
even on.
finally going to start finding some balance?
Let me see. I was 8.
Getting
so
5
yeah,
minutes to 10
1,
o'clock
2,
here.
3, 4.
Man, and then they go.
2, 3, 4. So right here.
This is why it's always hard to buy the top of the range, because then when you start getting punished, it feels personal.
This might just be retesting that.
Gonna still be patient.
Yeah, low
Still think
key.
the longs are,
I got higher
overly
highs
excited
on the
today,
chart
so
and
not
lower
really
highs
necessarily
on the
too afraid to pull
RSI.
backs.
It looks like it could be a retest.
Decent amount of volume transacted on that sell candle there. I'm guessing people had some stops pushed out at that previous swing bottom at the 30s. We wait and find out. I'm in a long at the 741s. Nice, I'm long at 742D. Hopefully we get some love here. Got to find a support
Nah, I'm
though.
out, nigga.
Got to try to respect back inside of this trend line.
Forgot to tell him I was out.
Otherwise,
Too rich for my blood, nigga.
I'm out that trade.
Just be patient. Find out what we're gonna get. Sellers looking a little bit more strong all of a sudden. Struggling to push it lower. Buyers are still being a little stubborn. I want to see a retest of
They're
this trend
supporting
line
this
for us to have a
5-minute
little bit more information. From that point, anything can
I was gonna say we got a little bit of rejection on the
If we do go
5.
find the 700s right away, then that could be my favorite. Here we go, retesting the trend line. Can we break back inside of it? This is an EMA touch as well. It does feel as though I'm going to be punished for joining the trend a little late. Unless we get a strong reclaim back inside of it immediately. I'm not really liking the pressure that we're getting at the moment.
This nigga need to calm down with that negativity. Should I just take this 250?
This is our last chance. This previous swing bottom, the 728.
Making that M.
Support.
Yeah, this is
Most of the
making
longs
it.
are excited through here.
Respecting that zone right
We're gonna
there.
have to take a loss on
Well,
this
blew
and
through with
come
that
out
wick
position,
on the
unfortunately
last
for
2
us.
wicks before the current one.
I might have to short this.
And there we go. Sellers clearly finding balance now. Because why would we have done it here, you know? Had to go sweep through the range one more time. And then I finally join the longs and get absolutely punished for it. I love it. No, I do. I love it. Buyers, where are you at? You've been here for 11 days straight. You know what I'm saying? Ouch on the trailing drawdown there. It's the toughest thing to trade. Split. You got it though, King. It is the toughest thing to trade. Well, weakness towards this bottom brings us lower towards these 700s. If we don't find any structure here, we're going to get pretty weak. There it goes. I like that they're resisting a little bit here. The longs are trying to find some stability. Check out NQ real quick. Is it telling me the same story? It's pretty bearish, in my opinion, from what I normally would trade. I would normally trade that as a sell. But it's been hard to sell this thing. So then I flip over to a long, and now I'm getting punished. Why?
I'm controlling
But
this.
why NASDAQ?
Yeah, I'm taking it with my stop loss. I'm trying to get the highest I can out of it. Because if this falls,
Stop
A
fill.
little bit of
This is
resistance
gonna
here
go
at the 720s. Indecisive price action. I really do feel like we're going to come trying to auction at these 700 whole numbers again, though. Here we go. To the sell side, of course. No, of course, because we wouldn't sell it prior. We're just going to only find fucking bids when I'm trying to short it. But now that I'm actually trying to join the trend, it's going to reverse. I love it.
Oh, fuck, look.
Come on, Long.
Dude, I would've been up
so
500
excited
bucks.
for
You
11
see that?
days straight. Show me some love here.
It hit my 8 EMA.
This EMA
Order
feels
filled.
like it's a spot to take a short at, unfortunately. Is what I would normally look for. Look at the pressure. Buyer's not able to really move right now. Buyer's unable to move this market at the moment. Back below these 720s, which is a big swing spot. Sellers also struggling to push it a little bit lower as well. We're in a weird price. Excuse me. Hard to find an entry here. It really is, Matthew. It's just tough price action.
No, it's that 5 minute. Look, I'm up $500. You see
Here's
that?
an EMA tap. This is where it's going to be interesting. This is where I would consider
break
taking
even.
a short on a normal trade.
Fuck yeah, I'm
Sure.
break even. I'm putting that on break even this trade, and I'm going.
Yep.
All right, break even.
Because like I'm actually long now, so there's no long support.
I'm up
You guys
750
understand.
on that trade.
50% of the 15-minute range is down to the 700s. Feels like it's a very
shit.
safe spot to target. The sellers are just clearly more dominant all of a sudden.
Up 800.
Only thing that I would like is a closure back around the EMA. Got to see a closure through the EMA for us to have any support here. It's a weak close. We're rounding a little bit, finding a little bit of action, but we got to get a closure through this EMA. Otherwise, I like the selling here quite a bit. Chance for another leg higher. This is going to have to be the moment. We got to get a closure through this EMA.
I need a break on here, and I'm probably getting
We
over
have a
here.
chance for a leg higher, rounding out through this corner
This
for
is probably
push,
gonna
but
hit
it
me.
has to happen.
Stop filled.
I got paid over here.
Don't
Fuck
want
yeah,
to see us close
I'm
below
back.
this EMA, really.
Fuck it, I'm back.
We're at a battle spot again. Give me a closure through that EMA, girl. Come on now. Find that buy side. A couple of obstacles is our price, though. If we do get up to our price, that's going to be an obstacle. The top of the 15-minute range. Another closure below the EMA is no bueno there, really.
Order rejected.
You can see the suppression from price that they're looking to look like they're targeting the 700 whole number. And there it is. There's the selling coming in.
Look at all these wicks, though.
Ouch. They watching us. They got their eye on us, huh, Shay? So they know what we're doing. Yeah, I mean, at this point, if we don't get a closure back above the EMA, we're going to be in trouble. Stops would have to be below this swing. I mean, really, I want to see the 700s get tried. I think we're heading towards the 700s right now. It's just hilarious that the second I flip over to long, we get nothing but fucking weakness. Jesus Christ.
Yo, what? We might be able to take a long right here. You see this line? This was.
Oh my God. Here we
I
go.
think this is. Let me see.
New bottom.
This nigga, that nigga over there,
Last
man.
chance for this trade to be fine safe
Overnight
to 700,
session,
but
apply.
honestly, VWAP feels like it's a fair spot as well. Back inside of the PPI candle print.
Right here, we
Don't
can
love
take a
seeing
long.
that.
Oh shit, where's my 5 minute?
There is some resistance here at these 20s.
Oh, yep, right here.
We're looking for
We
a
could
short.
take it
You're looking
long.
for continuation. You're not getting it at the moment.
Or we could take it long where it just went long.
Yeah, I don't know.
Told
It's
you.
just very weak.
Look, and you can see
Very
that on
weak
here.
price
Watch.
action down here.
If you go here and put this on daily.
Stability again. I
Look
see
where
the
all
700s
the
is low volume, no getting
wires and
tried. Here
stuff
comes
is
another
coming right
EMA
here.
test. Can we actually get a closure
That's
through
why
it?
it's
If
waking
not,
up right
still
here.
weakness.
All these wicks.
I don't mind that candle print for the sellers to get held through a strong
It's
wick
strong
down
right
there.
here.
But
Buying, look, buying pressure
man,
and
the
selling
EMA,
pressure.
now that we're just completely unable to get through it.
Where is it? Is it right here?
The buyers are really strong. They're stubborn.
That's on
They're
the wrong
holding,
side.
but
I like it on the
let's
left.
see what happens here. Can we get through this EMA?
Why is that right?
This is where a lot of the resistance is being. Through this balance. Through there, we look strong. But you can see,
Yeah, you
suppression.
see it? All
Buyers
these
are getting
pressures.
Mhm.
slapped down at that EMA right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then the pointer control is down here. So if it comes down here, we could take a big ass long.
Wait for all the information. Wait for a closure up here.
Alright, close. I got to close. I'm getting a break and retest.
Got a closure. Do we get continuation off that price? We're waiting for the
So I
next
need a
leg up here,
retest now?
NASDAQ. We're waiting for the next leg up here, Queen. Little volume spike there. Don't want to see it wick out, though.
Alright. Next, if I see green, I'm
Man.
going in.
$20 seconds on the candle. Wait for all the information. That's a gross
Order
wick if
filled.
we hold it, though. You want to see us try to fill this wick out a little bit stronger,
I'm in.
especially after finding balance at the 720s. Just a little bit of better close. Wait for all the information. Closing exactly at our price.
Alright, I'm in, Michael, on this.
Yeah, yeah.
Do we
I
find
bet you're
continuation at
up.
the top of the 15-minute range?
Order
I drew
filled.
this
Yeah.
trend out to be a little bit cleaner. Testing the top of it would be somewhere in around these 40s.
I'm up
Do we
350.
find any love here? We're pushing through. Next resistance is going to be the top
I'm
of
in
the
2
15-minute
trades.
range. It's going to be interesting to see. The longs are trying to hold. It looks like we're looking for
I'm gonna
another
try
leg
to sell
higher,
some right
but
here.
anything could happen.
So
Resistance
two.
at the top of the range is where I'm interested in. Is at these 750s or so. Still want to see strong closes here from the NASDAQ. For the longs. Otherwise, this previous swing high could be a nice spot to find a short. I think we can see a little bit higher here though.
This nigga's looking for a short.
Now we just gotta wait, hope, find out. The buyers are really strong. They still are. Now we just gotta wait, watch, and hope. Read it. Back to a big volume note at these 740s, 50s, though. This is where it's going to be a battle spot. Like, through here, we look decent.
Alright, I'm on
Below this
500.
is going to be a pretty clean rejection from the buyers, from the sellers. I don't love that it's exactly at our battle price, of course.
I'm up 600. I'm gonna take some of the profits on this
Come
oil
on,
sale.
longs. Give us a good candle closure.
Order
I bought
filled.
2. I'm buying some more.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm up 800. I have 2 running on
Go
there.
feet higher
NQ.
now.
I'm gonna buy some on NQ.
Order filled.
I bought some on
Top of the
NQ.
15-minute
Oh
range is where
shit!
things are going to get
I
interesting.
bought the
Order
wrong
filled.
one, bro.
Closure up
I
around
bought it on
here.
action instead of selling.
Order filled.
I sold it. So I'm still up 900. Sold it.
Order filled.
I'm getting
Order
out.
filled.
Sellers clearly
I'm
still
getting out.
slapping this
Order
thing.
filled.
Oh shit! I've got in a
Here's the
sell.
750s.
Order filled.
Don't want to see a wick around
Alright, I'm
this price
still in
now.
on this one. I'm putting break
Really want
even
to see a
on.
new leg get pushed to
I
new
need
highs. I see
About.
these 763s
I'm going
get
for
taken out.
1,000, so I only need
Wait for all the information. Wait for a candle closure.
Order filled.
There we go, and I got it.
Top of the 15 minute.
Good shit.
Yep, I got it. Thank you. Yo, good trading today. Michael, you up too?
Yeah. 700.
I'm up 1,000. He's up 700. I took a long right here. I took a long right there. It was a free trade. I got tapped out for break even. I took a long right here. And this market's in bullish. That's why I'm taking longs. I took a long here, got tapped out. I lost $700, guys. 700. So if you do the math, I'm down 700. Look, let me show you the proof. See, down 700. But I took another trade right here. Made a bunch of money right here. I made like, look, I had hella contracts and I took a bunch of positions out. So I made $80, $70. So I made like 400 right here. And here alone, I made 100 on oil, 200 on oil. And then right here, I made 130 on oil and then 305 on oil. So I came back for today. I actually made 1,600 today to get my account back up positive of 1,000. So yep, I'm done trading today. And just like that, if you want to learn how to trade, let me know. And here's the proof of all the trades I took in. And I was down. All the numbers in the parentheses are losses. See, I was down over $600. And then I came back. Trade. See, this is the same trades. I took 2 trades. These are the same trades. I just took profits within the trades. So I took positions out for profits. See, I took position out for 99, 240, 106. See, around the same number. So all these are the same trade. So if I would have kept this in, I would have made 800 from this trade alone by one contract. But I took profits, and same here. Here I took profits, look, 70. So I would have made like 400 here. So yep, all together I made 140, and I'm done today. Michael, you're still in that trade?
Yeah, I'm still in here.
Look, this is Michael right here. He's the one you just heard. This is his. Look, he breaks down his trades and everything for you guys. Me, I just do a little more stuff. He's gonna be an admin pretty soon, so just know that. But I do a little more work. I do like a lot of stuff, so I kind of don't have a lot of time to do that. But I try to get in it, and then look, our profits and losses. Look, he's up. He made what? Yesterday, what was that? 1,400.
Yeah,
Aaron made
1,400. Yeah.
Aaron made 1,500 on his Apex. Let's go, bro. Aaron.
Dang. Hell yeah, I think I seen that last night.
And then I need to post today what I made, 1,000 today. So yep, we're done today. And that's how trading is, guys. And it's only 8:12. Yep, I got it. It's only 8:12, so we started trading at 7:30. If you want to learn how to make money every day, let me know. Join the Discord. It's $50 a day. I'm doing a 10% off today only. 10% off. So let me know. Swipe up. Join the Discord. I do lessons and stuff. Alright. You gonna just let that run? I think this is gonna just go up high.
Yeah.
Let me see.
It was running since last night, low key.
It's a decent candle. Can we get a closure up here? At this point, I might just be trailing this and just let this thing run a little bit on us.
Hey.
If we can get a new high here.
We already 10 minutes or so. We already took our trades. I lost 700 this morning, or in the same trade just now.
We're back into the 68s.
So I'll go over the trade. Can you see my screen? Yeah. I'll go over what I took. I took 2 trades on 2 different things at the same time. Closure. And I'll explain why.
Here we go with new highs.
Let me pause this. Oh, how much is he up, Michael?
I'm officially going to put our break even on.
Dude, he's been in that trade ever since here.
Bleed higher for a little while.
I would have.
My entry from
mine would have tapped me out here, and I would have just got back in. So I guess it's the same trade. He's up though. I lost money. He didn't, because he stayed in the trade. So that's the difference. I guess I would have made the money back though going up.
Can we get there maybe?
I was
What were you gonna say?
I got my entry. My entry for my trade was $25,646.
PWBDH.
Bro,
Right? I fucking love D-Money to death, but I do love letting everybody know.
What discount are you using?
That I'm the biggest and the largest for a reason, chat. Come on
PW.
now. She's still going higher, by the way. Congratulations if you're long. It's too easy printing
Look,
with
he's
D-Money
saying
sometimes.
congratulations if you're
That
long.
800 level, guys. So we kind of talked about it before, right? So keep in mind, doesn't mean we won't get some pullbacks on the way. You just had a pretty aggressive bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute chart as well, guys.
Yeah.
That
Wait,
just
he
closed
said
out.
15
So
minutes?
you had a bullish engulfing candle back above
yeah,
the
look,
opening
that's
range high,
bullish, but I told you,
25,754. There's
look at that
nothing right now
rejection.
telling us that shorts
This rejection and this
are the
closing
move.
above that knocked all this.
You guys be on crack right now to be like, I
Oh.
want to get short.
But you know there's somebody
Look,
trying to
look
find
at this
their-
rejection.
There's someone who's been
For the
trying to short
sellers.
all
The
morning long.
sellers, the
Hey, and
sellers,
we've been that
the
person, guys.
sellers.
I've been that person.
We've all been there.
Yeah,
Because
so-
you know what
Look at
happens?
the trend line is
I
still
know exactly
holding.
why, right? You look at the hourly chart and you're like, fuck, it's overextended.
Yep. It
Look,
has to.
D,
has to
look,
pull back.
it just keeps
Bro,
going
this dude
higher.
is
Yep, it
mad
has to
rich.
pull
Just
back.
gotta
This
pull
dude-
back.
That's the most.
I watched
critical,
him because
guys.
they get.
Come on.
They tell you it's not financial.
Anytime
it's the
somebody-
same thing I do. I tell you it's not. I'm not like your financial advisor, but
Bad.
people say
Yeah.
trade,
Right?
yeah,
It's
they
gotta
do the
keep
same
going
thing.
lower. You know,
But
whatever,
this
whatever.
dude Patrick, this dude is hella rich. Look, he makes hella money trading.
It's a
They trade every day live.
week, and that was because
But I don't really see his trades.
Broker
I only been seeing
statement.
the black dude trading.
got absolutely ripped
Mm.
up to
Like
the upside.
he trades
This
sometimes.
is
He just goes over what he took.
out. Well,
But
the
like
problem is what
these dudes are pretty smart.
this trade. You know, like I said, sometimes it's good to protect yourself.
All right, so let's go, Sharice. I'll go over everything. Where's my? I thought I opened. Oh, I'm live on YouTube. YouTube, you just seen what happened. YouTube, I was down 600. I came back. Join the Discord, YouTube. This is Michael. My other live video. Bro, I got off. It was 57 views, and I didn't even see, like, I don't have my YouTube pulled up, so I can't see who watching or anything. I was like, what the heck? Dude, what's going on here? I'm in a short? On what?
What the fuck?
I'm down 18,000. What the? On NASDAQ.
18K?
Where? Oh, right here. God dang, bro. If I put a buy-in right here, I would have been up $18,000.
Damn, nigga.
What
Reverse reverse position.
Let me see. Dude, this is why I hate this app. I always want to pay for an ad. I'm going to put a bunch of... This is what you call paper trading, Sharice. This is like practice. I know this market is going up, so I'm just putting in a lot of orders. I'm going to try to make that 18,000 back that I lost to 19. And this is today, so if I make that back, I'll be up.
Aaron was showing me paper trading yesterday.
Oh, he found out how to use the app?
He put on something else I don't know.
What's it called?
I don't know. Let me see. He just ran upstairs. All that.
I love this, bro. I love this app. I just don't want to pay. I just love this chart better. I love all this stuff. Like, you could draw. I love all this, dude. I love this. This is the real Fibonacci. Michael, we don't have
The
this.
real fib.
Yeah, and then this too. I love this long position, bro. You could use it for your profit and your stop loss for the 2-to-1 ratio. See, we don't have none of it. Only tops. Well, this is because Top Step uses Trading View, so this is why I'm used to this because of Top Step. Look, I'm going for 8,000. I'm gonna try to go for. Look, this is how you use the fib retracer, by the way. So right here, So it might come back all the way to right here or right here. If it comes right here, this is a zone where it's going to reverse. If it comes up here, you could take longs. Right here is going to most likely reverse. So right here, I'm already in the long. So if you, that's how you use that, Michael. And then, and then you could go for profits. Look, see, these are the profit scalings. So if I go right here, that's 3,000, that's 15K. I'm gonna make all my money back. So I'm going for 30. This might go up anyways by the end of the day. If I was you, I'll just leave your. If I was you, I would just watch it until 10, and then the highest point when you want to get off, just put your stop loss up there, and I'll just or close to it wherever you feel comfortable, Michael. I'll just leave it running. I think this is gonna go up. It's gonna because we bottomed out the market. We already bought. Trump bottomed out the market. That's why this filled in that gap so fast. Ain't no way this would have filled in that gap that day. Cause look at what time this was. 8. We were at 7 a.m. and it was already filled. Well, technically, it was already filled almost. Let me see. Oh, it was already filled right here before our market even opened. Look, I'm Sharice. You see that? I'm already up 758 in this trade. Yeah. So I'm just let that run. But let's go.
It looks like it's moving though, for sure.
Yeah, it's moving. Let's go over what Sharice, I'll go over what I was looking for and so this is how let me delete all this. This is how I mark up my charts. I go to the 1 hour, and as you guys can see, no. What number was that? 9? Alright, so let me turn off this too so you don't see these real quick. So Sharice, this is so I'll just go over the basics and then Michael could throw in whatever. This is what you call the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, this is NASDAQ NQ, and you have micro, and then you have mini, which is hello.
Hey.
Hi.
How you doing?
A little more risk.
Good.
How you feel?
Good. I took the pills and I went to sleep fine.
Went to sleep, okay?
Yeah, only it's like my butt is hurting, but I don't know if it's because I'm sitting in this chair, but I put a pillow on it.
Okay. All right, then. Well, I just want to check on you early and see how you slept last night, okay?
Yeah, I'm just day trading right now. Sharice is in here. I'm teaching her. She could hear you if you want to say hi.
Good morning, baby.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. All right, well, I'll just check on you. I'll check on you later.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, it stopped. It kind of hurts, but it's just stopped a little bit.
Okay.
It's still like a 5.
Yeah, it's going to be so for a while.
My arm is hurting, though, where I got the other shot at. So that means my back is going to probably hurt. I don't know if I'm going to do the next. I already told my mom I don't know. I need to, but
yeah.
That means I'm going to have to probably be in a neck brace.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll call you later.
All right, bye.
Okay.
So, Sharice, this is minis. This is micros. Micros are smaller than mini. So, 1 micro moves up is $2. A mini is 1. So, 1 mini moves up is $20.
Winnie.
Or, yeah, it's $20 for 1 mini. So, that means if you have 10 micros, that's the same as 1 mini. So if you want to size down, you hear us say like size down. Instead of using one whole mini NQ, size down and go to micros. That's why I trade on micros. You see me trade on this instead of this. Even though it's the same, I trade on micros, but I did use a mini. I just traded 10 micros right now, which is the same as 1 mini. So I do size heavily. That's why I also use minis or micros because you could size better. You could add one in, two in instead of just a couple. And you see how look, I told you I was down 600 or eight. I was down like $890, and look, I came back, and now I'm at
That's how much I'm in
1,800.
profit right now.
Yeah, and then I came back
He like
and
caught it right on the nail.
so what my pre-market is I look so these structure boxes are off of things that get hit the most. So as you guys can see right here, liquidity came, it swiped right here, it broke under, it retested, and it went down for a good short, and it came back. It broke inside, but it didn't break on the other side. It retested outside, or it broke outside of it on the bottom. It retested it. So right now, this is still a demand zone. Support zones are on the bottom. Demand zones are on the top. So this is a demand zone. It came back to this demand zone. If it would have, say it would have came right here, Sharice, like this side did, it would have flipped and made it support. But at this point, still 6, 7 a.m., this is when we were trading yesterday. Or on the 1st. So when was the 1st? So that was on Wednesday. On Wednesday right here, if you would have took a short off of this, you would have took it right here. That's an easy... God dang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 points. Oh, that's when we were getting rich. That's when Trump was making us rich in the morning. That went all the way down to this gap. So this gap, it came to this, and buyers stepped in and brought it back, and this is when it reversed. So right here, it broke, and this is the new sign that the high is coming. It broke this high, and it broke over. It broke on top of this support now, because it was a demand. It turned into a support. It broke under. It broke over, and then retested it and went in. And so stuff like this, you could go down to the lower time frames. Usually on 1 hour, you want to use 5 or 15 minutes. Because these, I do draw these in the 1 hour to 15 minute time frame. So you do want to use 5 minute or 1 minute entries. So on that thing we were just looking at, right? Let me go back to it. It was down here. So this is what I was talking about is demand, right here. You see how it tried to flip. So it tried to become support right here, but it failed. It came down, and right here it broke on top of that, making this the new high. So it came down and tested here. This is when I would have gotten long, but this was the close of our market, so it gapped up. Market opened, it gapped up. If you took this short here and took this long from here all the way up there, that would have been a good trade. Look, that's right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 points. Oh, that's not 500 right here. That was only 300. 350, that's still good. But this is 500 point trade, whoever took that all the way up here. Well, no, it ended right here because of time. Yeah, so it only came right here. God damn, it only came right here. That's crazy, it did. Look at the time. Oh, it didn't even come down during our session, bro. It went straight up. Only 150 points. So
Price filled that gap right there. A couple candlesticks ahead too, bro.
Yeah, this wasn't a good session.
And it just took off. We just broke structure over here live. I'm almost a 1K in profit right now.
You 1K in profit? If you want to show your screen, I could put it up so my auntie could see what it looks like. Your trade, because I'm not trading. But and then so 5 minutes. Let me go back to the 1 hour. So Sharice, off of my game plan today was, so we opened right here, right? So 7 a.m. is right here, this wick. So we opened at this wick right here. Let me draw a line through it so you could know. So this wick was our opening. And oh my god, that's just small. All right, so right there.
You see my screen?
Let me go to it now. Yeah. So, Sharice, you see the trade he's in? So, this is micros. He's in a micro. He has 3 micros. So, he has almost a quarter of a mini. He has like a quarter of a mini. Because a mini is 10 micros and half of a micro is 5. And he has 2 less than that. So, technically, one for each climb is two times 3. So, it's $6 each little step up for him, and he's up $900. So he got in all the way here at 646, and it's all the way at 800. So he got in last night when we were asleep, or before everyone went to sleep, and he left it running, and look where it's at now. And his profit target right now is 870, and he's guaranteed. He's in a free trade right now. He's guaranteed money at 698 or 870. So he's in a free trade. This is what we call a free trade. If he takes profit right now, if he takes one, he'll be Hey Siri, what's 960 divided by 3? If he takes one right now, he makes $320, and he'll leave 600 running. He'll leave the rest running. I don't know. Do you think it's smart to take one, Michael? Just thinking about it. Because if you
what?
I don't know. Do you think you should take one? Just think about it.
That's what I was thinking about just now.
If it comes down, you're gonna get that drawdown on Apex. But if you take one, and if it comes down, your drawdown is still up because you took one. And if you take one, you just take $320 out. Well, now you're taking. Wait, let it go up. Don't take it yet.
I mean,
you took it yet?
Don't take it.
Don't take it yet.
Say
Take
what?
one though. Don't take 2. You're taking 2. Yeah, take one. But don't take it yet. Let your profit gets to 960 so you can get 320. Cause let's watch.
Okay.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
so what would you just sit there and watch it till it hits the 960?
Yeah, on his cash, you see his cash going up right here.
Yeah.
So if it gets 960, that's when he should, because he's in a buy, he should sell one in. If he does, he could show you what it looks like. That's what I would do. He could sell, if it looks like it's a chop fest right now, because we just had our market, unless it's going down, unless the sellers are coming in. Let me look at my chart. Nah, it's going up a little bit. Yeah, just keep that in and close at, if you could get the new high above, Michael, at least close above 820, or put your limit order of 1 at 820, and that should give you more than 320 in profit. Cause I think your 320 was the highest I seen is 809, and that was 320. So if you close at 820, you'll probably be profit 350. No, you're in minis, so you're in a micro. You'd be like 335. Look, I'm still in this trade, Sharice. I'm up $1,000 on the paper trading. Let me delete this stuff so you can see, like, without this Fibonacci. What's up? Alright, so usually I'm gonna move my break even on up when I'm at 2. So ratio of 2. I'm gonna move break even for a free trade, even though I'm up $1,000. So right here, bro, I missed this, Michael. I know you like this too, bro. You could just you just press it and it makes a whole line, bro. We can't do that on freaking Tradeify. I don't know why Tradeify does that. When I open it live, I'm gonna open it on TradingView though, cause I want to trade stocks. And TradingView, you could trade stocks. TradingView is only futures. Look, I'm gonna scale in. Watch this. I'm gonna buy right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause you see that. Oh, let me look on the 15-minute. So we got this gap right here, Sharice, on the 15-minute. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so in this 15 minutes, we got this little gap right here. Bro, I love how this looks, dude. My controllers and like the keyboard. Look at this. Trading View isn't. I mean, yeah, Tradeovate isn't as smooth as Trading View. With how you can map up your charts and look at that, bro. I love this. Michael, pay for it for me. Oh, I said. I don't know. I'll never. I paid for this one time when I first started trading. I'll probably pay for it again.
What is it, a monthly fee?
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's just you know how you know.
Oh, you're on TradingView?
Yeah.
I didn't notice it until now.
Yeah, TradingView.
Because you use Tradeovate.
Yeah, this is TradingView, Sharice, and then Tradeovate is this app.
Okay.
So a lot of people, a lot of traders too, like that guy we were watching, those black guys that I told you that white guy's rich. The black guy's probably rich too, but the white guy, the black guy, he watches Tradeovate and TradingView, but he trades off of Tradeovate. So a lot of people watch, like a lot of people sit on the charts like this all day. Like this, and then they be like, oh, I'm ready for a trade. So they go over here and then put in their trade and then go back and then set it up or whatever and then go back to this chart and watch it. Because of all this stuff you can use. Like, look, you can use this profit target. It tells you how much you're making. 3,000. Look how much I make. 31,000 if it hits that.
Oh, wow.
And traders really be hitting this. This is not no joke. People really be hitting that and losing that. I've been in group chats where people's like, oh, I just lost 40K. I hate dude, I hate my life when I lose 90. Like, just not 90K, when I lose $90 off just one account, basically losing an account. So I don't know how but
40K is outrageous.
Yeah. So going over the trades now, Sharice, that I took. This is where the market opened. My plan today was, so I marked this chart up on an hourly time frame. I did all my like with these zones. These are the zones where it's most likely to get hit the most, see, and have a reversal or a spike off. Oh my God. Where was that one at? I just moved this. I think it was the bottom of that. Yep. Right here. It was on the bottom of this one, the top of that. So, yep. Oh, let me lock this too, guys. So, when that does that, you could just do this on Tradeovate and nothing moves, see? No drawings. But anyway, so, hey, you're almost up there. By the way, at 820.
Yeah.
So, Sharice, my plan was, so I did my drawings right, and then I came back to the 15 minutes, and I reframed the top one, because this top one was here from yesterday. So, I just moved it down. There's some drawings missing on this side, and it's pissing me off, but this should line up to all these. I don't know why this TradingView doesn't watch. Look, if I go all the way to 24th, this is the 24th. Watch. On TradingView, the 24th shows up. I don't know why it does that on there. See, look, we're all the way in March. This isn't even showing up, but now it shows up on here. So I don't know why. Oh, I moved that. Let me move my back to 31,000. All right, confirm that. Keep that. But yeah, see, you see how this chart shows? I don't know why it doesn't do that on Tradeovate. I think the market is just out of data because we're in a new chart. This chart is new because of I don't know what it's called, but like it's like a new trading calendar. So these charts, it used to be 5 and now it's 6. But so anyways, I refined this level. I brought it down. I think it was this level I refined. Yeah, this one I brought it down. And then I marked this level. So my what I was looking for today is I knew we were in a bullish market because of this, and you could just clearly see we're just in a bull. All of this is just, there's no bears at anywhere. And bears is where it goes down, bulls is where the market goes up. Think about it, bears sleep, so it's going down, bulls are running, or like whatever the analogy is, so they're just moving the market up. And so what I was looking for is this 7:30 candle started. I was gonna take a short. If it broke under the 5 minute, which is my strategy, I mark out the high and the low of this. So it will be like this technically. This candle is 7. No, that's not even the on the hour it is, but on this candle right here, I will mark out this high and a low, so it will look like this. And this is how we would take trades, or how I take trades, and I talk like everyone else. This little strategy, and I've been successful off of it. You can ask Michael too if you think. So So let me go back to. Or actually, I'll say what I'll give you my rundown of what I was looking for, and then I'll go to my actual trade. So what I was looking for is, ignore this, but I was looking for this to break under, retest this zone for a new high, just so buyers could get more a lifting space, or like, you know what I mean. Michael knows what I mean, because it could even coming to this gap right here, as low as this, and retesting that for a high, but it just went straight up. So no matter what, my bias was still long. So it was either longs above this close, which it did, which I got in and it tapped me back out, and or a longs above on this, which I marked this green. If you ever see this box red, it means I'm looking for shorts. If it's green, I'm looking for longs off this zone. So it never came in. And so after I marked these, after the first 5 minutes, you mark this, right? You go to the 1 minute. So we had a close. So my strategy is, that's the first thing you do, mark the high and the low of the first 5 minutes, and you could do it on a 1 minute time frame. You just count the minutes. So this is 7:30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the highest. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the highest. No, I was wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, Michael, I should have just took my bad, I kind of got distracted of what I was talking about. I should have took what I was originally. I should have took that long off of here. My bias was the close above here. That's, remember how I said either get a long up here or up here?
Yeah.
So I mean, I did re-enter though. Never mind. I re-entered what, right here and right here. So no matter what, I got back in. But so Sharice, so what happened is I wait for a break on top of this and a retest. A retest would be this candle. So you see how this candle made a black. It came all the way down, and the buyer started stepping in right here. So that's why the candle ended up here. And this candle came and formed and closed up here. Right here, I would have went long right here and targeted up here. But so what really happened was I actually put a limit order here because I knew this was going to retest. So I put a limit order here, and that is just this, just to show you. So you just place it here. Buy.
Order rejected.
Order rejected. Oh, let me do this real quick so you can see. Don't put me in a trade. If you put that, oh, it's not showing my trades. So right here, Sharice, show all. Oh no, not show all. Show order lines. Show fields. Show trade lines. Dude, where's my trade? Oh, right here. So you see where it says 2, Sharice? and it's green. This is me.
Yeah.
This means, and you could put these anywhere. Look, anywhere, but just remember if you get off, exit, press exit, because anywhere this is and you don't know, if it taps that, you're gonna be in that trade. So this is called limit order, and you have limit orders, then you have this. So you have a buy market or a buy bid, and a sell market or a sell ask or a limit order, a sell limit order or a buy limit. Bid it's the same thing. So market, buy, and sell is when you press it, you're getting right into that trade. So wherever this is, you're getting right in it. So if I sell now, you're getting in the sell right at this line. But if I put look, if I do limit or sell ask, look what it does. It just puts this line on here, and it doesn't put me in a trade. Let me see how much I'm up. 42, so I'll show you. So you see, look, so the difference is, look, I sell right here.
Order filled.
I'm in a trade. And let me get should I lose this trade or win? Alright.
Order filled.
I got out that trade, right? And that was a market trade. That was me getting right into the market. And this would be a limit order trade. You could either click it to do the limit order, or you do this, sell ask. So sell ask.
Order filled.
And it put me in that trade. Let me lose a couple dollars. I'm not trying to be that much high over my 50% anyways. Or my 30% on Tradeify. So I'm just losing stuff to get back, losing money to get back closer to 1,000. Because tomorrow I need to make 900. And then the next day, if I'm over 1,000 today, it pushes my third day more than usually $600 or $500. So if I'm right at 1,000, I could be right on 600 for the third day or 500 to pass. So I'm just closing it now. I lost 25 bucks.
Order filled.
I'm at whatever that is, 1017. I'm gonna lock this. So I can't trade at all on this account. I locked it. But so you see how that worked? So our strategy is, so I had a limit order right here, right? And let me make sure that is, let me go actually to my orders now and show you. So, yep. So this is how our trades went, Sharice. So we had a break, and I was waiting for that retest. And like I said, I put that limit order on this 5 minute for 10. I believe it was 10, right, Michael, for the first two? Yep, because I was in 20. So I put 10 right here. It went up. I was up, what, $300, Michael? Yep, I was up $300. I put in another buy because we closed above this, which gives me confirmation. So this is my first confirmation. It retests this. My second confirmation is it closes above that last candle. So this means buyers are in charge. So I entered more, and realistically it should have went up, but look, it came down and it was testing this line. And for you to know what line that is, if I put on volume VWAP, let me see which one it is. Oh my god. It's gone. Oh, I can't show you, Michael. And Michael, remember when I showed you VWAP? It was right here. It went up because of that. So Sharice usually oh, what up, 18? You in here? What up, TJ?
What up, dog?
So we're just doing a little lesson. We already took trades. If you're looking for a trade, bro, I'll hop in along if I was you. Cause look, I'm still no longer on my paper account, and look, I'm up 1,600. Yeah, I think this is gonna go up, TJ. So it's up to you. I already made my money, but if I was you, TJ, it might come and retest this 5 minute and go back more. Or there's also a 15 minute right here. It retested right here. Michael, you see that? You see how the 15 minute retested on it? So look, it closed above the 15-minute, came down, retested it. So you could have went long right here if you missed this 5-minute entry. So you could have went long right here, and look, it came back, retested, but your stop is right here. Until it breaks on top of this, your stop is right here. So you're still in that trade on that long right now. If you would have entered right here, but Sharice, so what happened is there's this volume profile, and this volume profile is there's 3 points of control. There's the var value point of control, or point of control, which is like the var value. This point of control is where all the transactions is being most used, and orders, fills, limits, everything is being most used in the market. So throughout this line is where all the transactions are happening. So right here, and my transaction actually happened on that line. If you can see right here, same one right here, and I didn't even notice. So, but you can see on this line, this is a fresh new line. So Michael, actually we took the trades correctly. If you guys see, we took the trades correctly according to this loan. So same line right here. This line right here, this red line, is the lowest low point of, what is it actually called? Let me see what the name is. If I click, they show the names here. So one is called the point of control, which is that, point of control, which is that in that middle upper value line and lower value line. This one's the lower value line. And if usually you could take trades, look, see, take the trade off of that, off of this for a long, off of this for a long right here. If you took this off of longs, knowing we were bullish, and you took that, that's a good trade. Right here, you took this long off of this, that's a great trade. And look, this is where I actually got out because I made my money. But, so those are how you use this right here, Sharice and TJ, Michael. You see this upper point of control? What happened? The sellers came off of this point of control, which is usual. So unless this gets broken, this point of control is always going to move up. So if this moves up, this is going to most likely move up. And this point of control right now, the sellers are selling off of it, if you could see. And it made a balance. This made a fair value gap, but they balanced it out. The sellers balanced it out. And what that means is if you have a gap in the market, which is a gap at Sharice is this, you have 3 candle sequence, 1, 2, 3, and the first candle didn't meet the third candle at all. So there's a gap in the middle of the second candle, which is this, as you can see. And it's on balance. It's on balance when there's a gap. But when there's another gap that goes through that first gap, it makes the gap balanced. That's what I learned from this guy named TJR Trades. He's a rich dude. He's becoming more of a social media star though, because his YouTube channel, he's trying to. A lot of people are saying he's changing. He's becoming more of a content creator than a YouTuber or than a trader. But he usually make like $200, $1,000 trades. But I got that from him. That's balanced. So as you guys can see, this is a sign where we could continue higher because it broke this balance and it imbalanced this. And this is a inverse value gap. Michael, what happened?
I switched to my Mac.
Oh, yeah. So
I don't know if y'all couldn't hear me for a while.
No, we couldn't hear you at all.
Oh, okay. You Gucci. Hey, that shit about to break structure. All right, 812.
Oh, wait, hey, you know what I thought about? Hey, Michael, my auntie might know your family.
Yeah, y'all, because y'all grew up in the Kurt, right?
Well, hey, Sharice, did you guys grow up in the Kurt or near it?
No, just your uncle did.
Yeah,
I
but
knew a lot of people there,
their
but
grandma
I didn't
goes
go.
their grandma goes to church. Michael, what church did your family go to?
Shiloh.
Oh, Shiloh.
Oh yeah, I know a lot.
Wait,
of
what's your last names again?
Mine's is Maple, but my great granddaddy was a deacon, bro. So his last name was Young.
Oh, I know Deacon Young. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my great granddaddy.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
broke.
I just thought about that because I was like, oh yeah, you guys, because church, you guys should know each other, his family. But so let's get to the trade. So I got in this trade. My stop. So every time I put in a trade, my stop is on the lowest point. So if I got on the trade, it's on the lowest point of the next candle. For risk management, if you want to be more riskier, you could put your stop all the way down here. Just because that's the break of the structure. If it breaks here, that's the break of the structure. So that's just more risky trade. I don't do that. I just put it right here. And I mean, if I put it there, I still would have been in that first trade. So no matter what. But anyways, I got tapped out right here for this one and this one, correct? But so I put this stop loss right here because that's the next candle. As you can see, I got stopped right here for $4, and then up here for 560, which I think trading is retarded because in my head, my first trade, the first stop loss I want that for the trade. But the way trading is different. Your stop loss goes to the most upper trade you put in. So if say you put in 8 trades right here, 8 buys, and you have 10 different stop losses, and you have your highest buy up here and your highest stop loss up here. Instead of your lowest buy right here getting stop loss right here for like $10, you know what I mean? Getting stopped off this far from here to here, it gets stopped off from the top, from the highest one to the lowest one, which is this example, from the highest to the lowest, which is 560, instead of this being stopped right here for this amount. So that's the only thing I hate about when you add in more contracts. It's kind of dumb if you think about it. Because I took this first trade right here. My stop loss was right here for this trade. So this would have stopped me. It should. So technically, this line for the stoppage should have been like this. I should have got stopped right there. And then this one should stop me right here. And it didn't. So just keep that in mind, guys. When you place more than a couple trades and it's going down, the most highest bid of buy or sell you put in, the most lowest point of that sell or bid is gonna hit. So it's kind of dumb. I know you guys see what I'm talking about now, huh? It's kind of don't make sense because if I put this trade in first and I put this stop loss here for this trade, it should stop me for this trade. But nah, it stopped me for this one all the way down here. And then this one stopped me for this one right here. So technically, I mean, I would have probably been down more money. Nah, it would probably have been the same because this is $560. But anyways, I was so... Sharice and TJ at this point, I was down 66 plus 562 plus $4, which was what, like 800, Michael, around that time when we were trading?
Yeah.
Because that's right here. All these right here, I was down. So $800, I was down. And like I told you guys, my rule is the 84% rule. If I see my trade from that strategy that I have still going up. Hey, did you enter in that, TJ, or are you in a trade?
Not yet.
Yeah, let this come down to this, either to this one or this 15-minute, and take one off of that, because you see where it retested the 15-minute right here?
Yeah.
And I'll go over after I'm done explaining my trades, when to take the 5-minute and then the 15-minute retest. Like today, the 15-minute or the 5-minute retest was perfect because there's not a lot of consolidation, and just this 1 hour time frame we broke outside of it, so it's not really inside. Like right here, I would have used the 15-minute if we opened right here, but since we opened like this is a 5-minute that you could use. And ooh, hold up, guys. I'm gonna turn off my live stream. YouTube is getting a free lesson. No, I'm not going over much. No, actually.